Hello, I'm Charlotte Stilwell. I'm the editor of the WIN Classroom, and I'd like to introduce you to a new series which we call WIN Desert Island Topics. We put this together specifically for this period where a quarter of the world's population is in lockdown. And it's meant to bring a little bit of professional relief from the situation that we find ourselves in at the moment. And in this first one, I'm focusing on my immediate situation, which is that my practice is limited to remote advice to my patients and just suggestions of analgesia, whilst I wait to be redeployed to work in one of the local emergency dental care centres that will be set up around the country here in the UK. And I'm a prosthodontist, and as I will now have to go in and deal with any of the dental emergencies that might present themselves, I think it's time for me to brush up on some surgical knowledge and skills and techniques. So the items that I have chosen for this first editorial in this series are on dental pharmacology, on extraction techniques, on management of surgical complications, and also on flap design and flap closure. I hope that you will find these useful too, and also that this will make you look out for the next editorial that will follow in a week's time, headed by a guest editor also from the WIN community. Take care wherever you are and keep safe and well.